In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a Pinterest Create Pin or Save button on your Blogger website. To do that, copy the code for adding your Pinterest Create Pin or Save button to your website in the description box below. Then go to the Layout menu on your Blogger dashboard and add a HTML/JavaScript gadget. Paste the copied code into the content field and click Save. Alternatively, you could also add the Pinterest Save button in a post or page by switching to the HTML view in the content editor, pasting the code, and publishing it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.